Welcome to Yoga with Tia, Burton Yoga Studios. Today we're going to do a upward salute. So standing in mountain, bring yourself to a peaceful place if you're able to. If you have an intention, set that intention in your mind at this time. Standing in mountain, separating your shoulders from your ears, and breathing, inhaling and exhaling. It's possible both through your nose. Inhale, exhale. You can soften your gaze, or you can look straight ahead, or you can completely close your eyes, whatever is good for you. So we're going to start now with some breathing and then a few head rolls. Engage your core. Feel the breathing through the belly. And at your next exhale, standing in mountain, we're going to slowly move into our pose, upward salute. So standing in mountain, lifting your arms as you lift your chest and your abdomen, bringing your arms forward and up, bringing your palms facing each other, remembering to separate your shoulders from your ears, breathing, holding your arms there, slightly tilt your head to the sky, lifting your arms, lifting your chest, breathing. Stay in this pose for about 5 breaths or as long as you like. Inhaling and exhaling. Remember not to lock your knees. And slowly open your eyes. Slowly bring your head forward. Bring your arms down to your side, back into mountain. Give yourself a gentle wiggle. Try this pose each day this week. Thank you for joining Burton Yoga Studios. Bye-bye.